In this video, you'll learn how to embed Google Drive images in WordPress. By the end of this guide, you will be able to seamlessly insert images stored in your Google Drive directly into your WordPress posts. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you are logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and locate the option labeled Plugins. Click on Plugs to expand the menu and then select Add New. This will take you to the plugins installation page where you can search for new plugins to enhance your site. On the Add Plugins page, you will find a search bar located at the top right corner. In this search bar, type Google Drive for WordPress and press the Enter key. The search results will populate below, displaying various plugins that match your query. Look for the plugin specifically named Google Drive for WordPress. Once you identify the correct plugin, you will see an Install Now button next to it. Click on this button to begin the installation process. After a brief moment, the button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. This step is crucial as it allows the plugin to start functioning correctly. After activating the plugin, you will need to connect your Google Drive account. To do this, navigate to the left-hand menu again and find the new settings option added by the plugin, which may be labeled Google Drive or something similar. Click on this option and you will see a prompt to connect your Google Drive account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate your account, ensuring you grant the necessary permissions for the plugin to access your images. Once your Google Drive is connected, you can now insert images directly from Drive into your posts. To do this, create a new post or edit an existing one. In the post editor, you should see an option to add media. Click on this option and then select Insert from Google Drive. A window will open displaying your Google Drive files. Browse through your images and select the one you wish to embed. After selecting the image, click on Insert to add it to your post. You may want to adjust the image size and alignment as needed before publishing your post. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.